Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Leo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for the month of October 2023. This is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see. Leo, what is your energy for the month of October? Wow. You are in your own element. The sun. This is your energy, Leo. Vibrant, no? Energetic. Full of energy. Ganun din yun, no? I feel like may excitement, may sense of excitement, happiness, no? Ngayong October for you. Wow. Okay. Paari ring mas magiging creative ka. You will also heal your inner child. So, let's see naman your challenge. Ano yung challenge sa mga Leo? You have the 5 of Wands. Baka meron kayong makaaway, makadebate, or may competition, no? This can mean competition sa career, sa trabaho, sa paligid mo. Can be someone around you na very competitive sa'yo. Lalo na at yung energy mo is very high, no? Oo. Parang nakikipagkompetensya sa galing mo. So pwedeng it's either you take it as a challenge or patulan mo yung competition, 'di ba? So you know better. Okay? Baka lang kasi meron diyan na i-challenge ka sa confidence mo na parang parang they might see you as mayabang or masyadong nagpi-flex, or yung tipong parang they might throw a shade on you na ito si parang magpaparinig ganun. So let's see your opportunity. You have the Page of Pentacles. This is an opportunity for you to learn something. Maaring meron kang nire-research kasi Page of Pentacles is the energy of a student. This is also honing your skills. Maaring may mga talents ka rin na ma-discover about yourself. This can also mean a new business opportunity for you. Na baback upan niya ng abilidad mo. So let's see your blessing. What is the blessing? The Queen of Cups. Compassion, creativity, diba? You're being blessed with a lot of creative energies. Creative ideas. Ayan. So, I think, kaya nga energy ninyo is the sun. You're feeling joyful, you are feeling energetic, and then, dahil doon marami kang mga inspired ideas, no? And this is going to lead you to success. And, maaring binaback up ng intuition mo, ng instinct mo, na you know what's best for you, you know what's going to be successful for you. Nararamdaman mo. Let's see the energy of your money. Money for Leo. 4 of Pentacles. Wow. See, this is financial stability. When it comes to your finances, maayos, no? Maayos yung takbo. Maaring you are saving more. Maaring meron ka rin ma-achieve na certain goal pagdating sa savings mo na example, ang goal mo for October is maka 100k ka na sa savings mo or 1 million or kung ano man, how much man yung yung iyong goal for saving. Okay, so yeah, ayan yung isa sa focus mo talaga. Let's see naman yung iyong career. Career for Leo. The King of Pentacles. Wow, ang ganda naman sa career. Puro kaperahan kayo ngayon, Leo, ha? So, this is about, mataas na posisyon. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng managerial positions or higher positions. Yung iba naman, maaring business. Oo. You will be able to establish a business na pwedeng nasimulan mo na before. At ngayong October, makikita mo na yung kumbaga makakakita ka na ng growth, no? So, I think the growth here is really huge. And then, I think also pagdating sa business, no? Kung may business ka, marami kang mga bagong ideas, creative ideas na may isip mo on how to make money. Kasi mas inspired ka. Okay? So, your blessing, your love life, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, new beginning. Pagdating sa love life, no? Paano pa rin? Pera pa rin. Some of you, maaring masaya na kayo on your own sa ngayon, no? Ngayong October, you feel like it's enough. And yung iba sa inyo parang nagsisimula na maging super independent. Oo, na hindi umaasa sa iba or mas lalo niyong ina-establish pa yung sarili ninyo. And with the Ace of Pentacles, pwede ring may new beginnings for you sa relationship. Pwedeng meron kang makikilala na person from your work, your business, na may inspire ka. O may friendship, diba? Meron kang mamimit. Maaring ito ay simula, no, ng inyong romantic connection moving forward. Diba? Iba nagsisimula talaga sa pagiging magkaibigan. And there are times that you might feel worried about things na wala ka namang control. So, iwasan mong mag-overthink at mag-alala about the future. Just focus on what you want to achieve. One step at a time, no? Kasi sayang yung sense of inspiration mo kung mag-worry ka about the future lagi. Release your guilt. Meron ka daw i-release na guilt. Lalo na kung meron kang parang you feel like may kasalanan ka sa isang tao. I-release mo yun. Kung nag-sorry ka na, okay na yun. Kung hindi ka niya mapatawad, problema na niya yun. 'Di ba? Be your own first priority. Yes. You're going to prioritize yourself first over anyone or anything. Kasi syempre, no, kapag kaya mong alagaan yung sarili mo, kaya mo ring mag-alaga ng iba. 'Di ba? Yan ang i-prioritize ang iyong sarili. Some of you, maaring mas magkakaroon kayo ng oras at panahon sa sarili ninyo. You might engage yourself in a hobby like painting, drawing, or anything creative. I think, no, itong release your guilt, related to sa conflict na pwede mong ma-experience. Conflict with a friend, with a co-worker, with your boss. But if you feel like nagawa mo yun naman na yung best mo, or feeling mo wala ka namang kasalanan na, you don't need to punish yourself. Kasi meron dyan mga nag-guilt trip na, kasalanan mo yun. Parang, ang tawag dun, pinoproject nila sa'yo yung, pagkukulang rin nila. Which is, in the first place, wala ka namang pagkukulang. Sila naman talaga yun. Parang binabaliktad ka. Okay, meron ditong journey, physical or mental. Pwede may travel or mental journey is about engaging your thoughts, your mind sa mga creative work para mas mapaunlad mo yung mindset mo. Nakakaloka, Leo. Meron kang two-faced friend. You might get to know this person ngayong October. Marireveal yan sa'yo kung sino yung two-faced friend mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.